If the Instagram algorithm feels like a puzzle but you're still determined to master it, then this rapid masterclass is your game changer. First, dive deep into Instagram's ocean of features. From Reels and Stories to IGTV and live videos, each tool is a golden opportunity to connect and dazzle your audience. Second, crank up the quality. High-definition photos and videos paired with captivating captions aren't just nice, they're necessary. They're your secret sauce for grabbing attention and not letting go. Consistency? Non-negotiable. Set a rhythm with your posts to keep your followers eagerly waiting for more. Experiment with timing. Your perfect posting schedule is out there waiting to be discovered. Hashtags are your best friends. Choose wisely. Mix trending tags with niche-specific ones to cast a wider net while still hitting your target audience. And engagement, it's a two-way street. Chat, comment, and connect. Each interaction weaves a stronger bond with your followers. Lastly, keep your eyes on your insights. Tracking what works lets you tweak what doesn't, keeping your growth game strong and strategic. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Start small, dream big, and let's make your Instagram pop.